Hey guys, it's me again, Baisol, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your laptop's RAM. So currently, I'm using my Asus TUF FX504G, and I think you can still use the same technique, the same steps that I'm going to show you for your FX505 version, because on the 505, the changes is just on the bezels, is thin, and some upgrades on the specs, that's all. And for the overall look of the design, it's just the same, and I think you can use the same method, the same steps from this tutorial for your 505 as well. So enough talk, let's get right into our first step to upgrade your laptop's RAM. So let's go. So in here we found 11 screws, so you're gonna need to unscrew all of the 11 screws to open the back case. And for the final or the last screw, you will find it at the middle of the back case, and you might will see it's been taped. So if your laptop is still under the warranty, just do it at your own risk, because if you take out the tape, it might void your warranty. And for mine, the warranty has expired, so I don't even have to care about the warranty void stuff. So just take out the tape and put it aside. So to unscrew all of those 11 screws, you're gonna need a screwdriver, and I will provide a link at the description down below where I have bought all of those tools that I am using in this tutorial. So right now, when you go unscrewing each of the screws, make sure you take out the screw and pin it or align it properly based on its position in a piece of paper or a cardboard, so that you can recognize or know where you taken out the screws from. And it's gonna be look like this, and this is how it's supposed to look like when you pin it or align all of those screws based on their positions. And it's gonna help you at the end, because you can easily screw it back based on its place or its position. So let's go to the next step. So right now you're gonna use this thing where you're gonna push it through within the line in here. So while you are pushing it through, make sure you are moving it a bit upwards and downwards to open the back case even more effectively, and do the same process till all the way around, and you are good to go. So right now you're gonna see those two metal clippers on the left side and on the right side of the RAM. To take out the RAM, you just need to push those clippers aside, and you will see the RAM comes up. So you just need to pull it out and add your new RAM to it. And currently I'm using my HyperX. So to make sure the RAM are perfectly aligned with the RAM slot, you need to see the holes on the RAM and pin on the RAM slot are perfectly matched. So you just need to push it inside. And don't forget to push it to make sure those two clippers are locked with your RAM. And for the final process, you just need to put back your back case and you good to go. So to check either the RAM that you have added is working or not, is by going to the settings. So to go to the settings, just go for the Windows, find the settings, click on that, and in settings go for the system. So right now you just need to scroll all the way down and you will find about. Click on the about. So in here you will find the install RAM, which is 16GB. Before this I have added 8GB, and for today's tutorial I have added another 8GB, which makes 16GB in total. So there's also another way where you can check the install RAM, which is by searching control panel in the Windows search. So click on the control panel. In control panel, go for the system and security. After that, go for the system, click on the system. In here also you can see the install RAM, which is 16GB. So it makes that the RAM that you have upgraded is successfully working. So that's all for today's tutorial, and if you found this tutorial useful for you, please give a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like my Facebook page, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram so that you can get notified whenever I'm gonna upload the upcoming videos. So that's all for today. See you on the next video.